Thank you so much for joining us here today as we dedicate the new quiet room. This is an important investment in our first responders and our operators. Our 911 operators speak to people on some of the most difficult days of their lives. They are part of very difficult incidents. This new room will give them a place to sit down, to relax, to take a break. We're investing in our employees, and we couldn't do it without great community partners. As Mayor of Phoenix, I am grateful to the Rotary Club for stepping up once again, for listening to needs in community and helping us meet them. It really is a great partnership, and we take a strong message of support for our city employees from this partnership. It is a gorgeous facility, great interior design, very relaxing, and we are so appreciative of the partnership. It will allow our operators time to decompress during their shift. The window of time may only be a few moments the window of time may be the only time during the day where they can take a breath, sit back, and reflect. On behalf of the City Council, we are grateful for the tough work that our operators do every day to keep our residents safe. They take more than 2 million calls every year and navigate difficult decisions. They save lives in our community. We are better off because of the important work they do, and today is a wonderful opportunity for us to say thank you. I next want to welcome to the podium our chief, who is a strong believer in supporting our employees. Welcome, Chief of Police Jeri Williams.
Thank you, Mayor. I couldn't do the job that I do without the strong support of Mayor Gallego as well as the City Council. I don't know if you all are going to get the chance and opportunity to walk inside the quiet room, but it's literally just this decompressing, chill vibe that's in there, that when you go into the call center can be very busy and very stressful for my employees. And just that chance and that opportunity just to take a couple of seconds, as you mentioned, Mayor, just to go in and just take a little breather and take a little me time is going to make a tremendous difference. So we are thankful, so thankful, for the partnership of the Rotary. I can remember going in that room and it was a copy room before. It doesn't look like a copy room at all. It looks like an amazing space for our employees who listen to people on the worst days of their lives and really help that challenge and help them make the situation better than it was than when they called it first. So thank you so much to the Rotary Club. I do want to take a shameless plug, though, and remind you that we are having a hiring event on September 28th. So we're have to do that, shameless plug. So having a hiring event on September 28th, we're looking to hire 25 new communications operators. Currently, we have about 262, and we're looking for more. So if you're out there and you know anybody, please see us at phoenix.gov/police, and you can find more information about that. So without further ado, our Rotary partner.
Well, good morning, everyone. I'm Chuck Fitzgerald. I'm a member of the Peoria Rotary Club, and I remember about 6 months ago getting a call from one of your detectives saying, we want some of that peace you guys keep talking about. And so I came down here and was presented with this opportunity. And so I represent 4,000 Rotarians from across the state of Arizona. And like other people here in the room, we see a world where people unite and take action to create lasting change across the globe, in our communities, and in ourselves. That's really what we're about. We care a great deal about the work that happens here at the Communications Bureau. And it's one of those things that once you learn what really happens here, you can't unlearn it, and you have to do something. And so we were very excited to be able to participate in that. So we're glad to be a service to those who serve us, right? Help the helpers. We believe that every act of service, whether it's by a communication officer or by one of us here in this room, it's an act of peace. Peace is a big deal to us. And to prove that, we have little cookies for everybody with a dove on it. All right? So there's proof that peace is a big deal. So take one before you leave. And we also have for you, this is a little coaster, and it has a saying on here by Ralph Waldo Emerson that says, "What lies behind you and what lies in front of you pales in comparison to what lies inside of you." This is also posted outside the new quiet room. So every employee will get one of these to personally tie them back to the quiet room. And so we're excited about that. Now, I have a shameless plug. On Friday, Rotarians are holding a peace conference here in the Phoenix area. It's a one-day event. We have great speakers. PursuingPeace.org is the website. If you can attend, there's still room. So that's PursuingPeace.org. Saturday is the International Day of Peace, and we're just honored to be here with you, Mayor and Chief, this week of peace, dedicating this new quiet room. We're just super excited about that. And last thing, this list here, these are the community partners that participated in the project. Yeah, there you go. Thank you, Chief.
Wow.
And we had to turn people away. More people wanted to help. And so if there's another opportunity somewhere in the city, in the police department in the city, talk to us. We're all in. So with that, if you want to find out more about Rotary, there's a number of Rotarians here in the room, or visit ArizonaRotary.org.